Have you been struggling to find a suitable PowerPoint export from your dashboard, where the charts are not just images, but editable native objects? Enterprise Cloud is a cloud-based report automation platform that can accept data from anywhere and then populate a fully editable native PowerPoint or Google Slides deck. Our award-winning software, eTabs Enterprise, automates report production within the Microsoft Office and Google environments. Enterprise Cloud can talk with many different platforms, including Tableau and Power BI. Let's have a look at a live example dashboard. I'm going to set a few filters, and then when I'm happy with the analysis, I'll click on the download button, and when prompted, enter my email address. At this stage, the dashboard will send a data packet of the currently visible data over to our cloud server. Within seconds, the eTabs Enterprise Cloud Server then populates a PowerPoint or Google Slides equivalent of the dashboard with that packet of data, populating each object accordingly, and then emails that populated file back to me. And here it is, a fully editable PowerPoint equivalent ready for me to work with. Let's see another example, this time a live dashboard in Power BI. This one has two different pages. I'll set some filters and click Download. A few seconds later, I've received the attachment in my inbox. And you'll see how multiple slides, 9 in this case, have all been populated and ready for me to adjust as needed. Enterprise Cloud makes editable PowerPoint exports a reality. Contact one of our consultants for more information. eTabs, we give you data, insight.